Hey flower friends, Luann here from EveryStem. I just wanted to let you know that we have some new drag and drop functionality coming to you starting April 24th. So the exciting thing here is that, as you know, you can already drag and drop your flowers. I just want to review that quickly with everyone. Let's say on this page for my retail shop, I've got a couple different designer's choice arrangements of different sizes. I've priced these out, and I want to go ahead and have my delphinium and my snapdragons close to each other because they're both line flowers. I want to go ahead and just click on the flower, hold on to it, and drag it up next to the delphinium and then drop it. So you can drag and drop the order of your flowers. You can put them in whatever order works best for you. Some people like their greenery together and their roses together and their line flowers together. Some people want it in alphabetical order. Whatever works best for your business. In addition to that, you can now drag and drop the pages. So let's take a look at this vase arrangement option page. We want that to be the first page. So as you see, I just clicked on it, held it down, and moved it to the front. And now that's the first page of my event. You can also move the columns, the recipe columns, which is really exciting. So we're going to go ahead. We've got a small 4-inch vase, designer's choice, a medium 6-inch, and an extra large 12-inch. But now I want to add in a large 8-inch. So what I could do is add a column. I'm going to go ahead and name it large 8-inch vase, designer's choice. And I'm going to build this recipe, but I don't want it to be out of order. I want to go ahead and click on it, hold it down, drag it into the place I want it to be, and then let it go. And you can see that it just traded places with the extra large. If someone adds a junior bridesmaid bouquet and you want to add a column for it into a wedding event, you can add it in and then slide it next to the bouquets. Anything can be moved by clicking on it and then just dragging it over. So, if you have any questions, let me know. But I know everybody's been excited for this new feature. The drag and drop functionality is really cool. You can do it on your pages. You can use it on your recipe columns, and you can also use it on the flowers themselves. If you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day.